Hello everyone! Since last time I'd made a cake with eggs, this time I've decided to make an eggless cake. So this cake I've learned from an auntie. It's called Thumbs Up and Milkmaid cake. Let's take a look at the ingredients so we can get started. 270 ml of Thumbs Up. So in case you don't find Thumbs Up, what you can do is use any black aerated drink like Pepsi or Coca-Cola. But since they are too sweet, Thumbs Up is recommended. 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure that it's unsweetened. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 tin of sweetened Milkmaid. And 100 grams of soft butter. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And some vanilla essence. Now let's get started. So first what we are going to do is cream the butter. So as I said earlier, to use soft butter is really very important in an eggless cake, and it's easier to beat it as well that way. So now we are going to cream this. So now that I've creamed the butter, I'm going to add in the condensed milk. And now mix this again. So now we sieve all the dry ingredients together. So here I have a bowl and a sieve. I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour. So adding in our cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda, and sieve it together. So now we are going to alternate the Thumbs Up and the cocoa mixture. So as you add the Thumbs Up, the mixture should slightly curdle. As you can see, it's curdling a bit. And now once it's mixed, now we are going to add in our dry cocoa mixture, 2 tablespoons at a time. So we continue this process till all the dry mixture and the Thumbs Up is over. So now that I've added the cocoa mixture and the Thumbs Up, now I'm going to add in our vanilla essence. So you need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix this well. So here I've got a greased and dusted tin. Make sure you use a big tin because this cake rises a lot. So now just pour in the batter. My oven is preheating at 180 degrees for around 20 to 30 minutes. So just give it a tap and here it goes straight into the oven. So our cake is out of the oven and it's smelling just divine. So I've got my cake dish over here and I'm just going to run a knife around the edges. And now just get our oven gloves. And invert it. Okay, so you can see it's very soft. Okay, very soft, very spongy. So let's do some simple icing to make it look pretty. So what I have here is some paper strips. Okay, so just randomly, you can place it randomly. I'm going to do a simple check design. So now I've placed the paper strips all over the cake, like I've made a check design. So here I've got a tea strainer and some icing sugar, okay. So just put it this way too. So this dusted the entire cake with icing sugar. Now what you need to do is just carefully remove these paper strips. Okay, so there you have this beautiful design. So now I have some custard in this icing bag, in this piping bag. So just cut a small tip. Okay, and you can like fill these black areas of the cake like this. It looks so pretty. So you can do any icing, like custard goes with this cake very well. That's why I thought of doing like this icing, like using custard as an icing. But yeah, you can use like buttercream icing or maybe whipped cream. So whatever you have on hand. So anything will go. Just to add in some color, I'm dotting it with strawberry jam. You can use any jam you have. Now I'm just sprinkling some orange zest just to give that tangy orangey flavor. Well, this is optional. Your eggless chocolate thumbs up Milkmaid cake is ready. The icing and the decoration done on the cake is just optional. The cake itself tastes delicious. So try it out and share your feedback with me in the comment section below.
Very nice.